Hello students. Today I will start chapter number 2 of your textbook. The name of the chapter is Finding Contentment, the Ultimate Quest. So what is the meaning of contentment? Contentment means a feeling of happy satisfaction, means whatever things we are having with us and we are satisfied and happy with all those things. So as you know that wants and desire have no limits. So we should not spoil what we have by desiring for what we have not. So now I will tell you the story which is given in this chapter. There was a person named Rajan Mishra. He was having a good job, nice loving family, and was living a comfortable life in a small town. He had all those things that a man asks for, but still he was not satisfied because he always craved for more of everything. One day, he and his family went to mall to buy some grocery. His wife Hema stopped at the cosmetics counter for buying lipsticks and perfume. At the same moment, her friend Malini reached there. Looking at the bottle of the spray which Hema had chosen, she passed the comment that she has an imported and genuine stuff from Europe. The perfume which she had purchased was of not that much good quality. She means to say that the perfume which Hema had purchased was not of good quality, and the perfume which Malini is having, that is branded one, good and genuine one. So listening this, Rajan got angry. Later at night, when they were going to bed, Hema sensed her husband's mood. She tried to make him understand that his family is better off than millions of others who can't even afford to eat 2 square meals a day. He has lovely obedient children and his own little house also. But Rajan was not convinced. He felt that he was not able to do the best for his family. His son Rahul could not get admission into the prestigious college because he could not afford the donation. So these all things are coming in his mind. So these all things made him tensed and he got disturbed. Hema's brother was a doctor. She told all these problems to her brother. He assured her that he will solve Rajan's problems. The next week, Hema was able to send Rajan for the checkup after repeated pleading. So, after checkup, Anil found that he has a rare blood disorder, and with treatment, he may have more 4 to 5 years. He can live more, not more than that. So he informed this to Rajan. By listening this, Rajan got shocked. He thought of his family, his wife. He decided not to reveal this to his wife and children. From that time onwards, the word of Rajan was changed. He began to value each breath that he took. He no longer craved for bigger car. He no longer wanted to buy imported perfume for his wife. His son careers no longer seemed inadequate. His own special status was now gratefully acceptable. Hema was amazed at the way Rajan had changed overnight. Few months later, Anil called Rajan on his clinic and informed him that his report was fake. He is alright, nothing has happened to him. His report was fake. That is the only way he could make him realize the value of what he has in his life, which he never really appreciated. That's why Anil did so. So Rajan has no word to counter the wisdom in Anil argument. Tears of joy come up in the Rajan eyes. So this is the story which is given in this chapter. So what is the message of this story? The message of this story is we have to be happy with what we have. Cherish each small blessings that you receive. Think of those who lack what you have and consider yourself lucky. Minimize your need to maximize your satisfaction with what life offers. Now I will give you the textbook exercise. Question number B. Complete the following statement. First question is Rajan was dissatisfied with his financial status because Answer is he always craved for more of everything. Second, Hema was a wise lady as she strived to instill a sense of thankfulness in Rajan's life. Third, Anil gave Rajan a false diagnosis because Anil wants to make Rajan to realize the value of what he have possessed. And fourth is Rajan came to value little blessings in life when answer is he suddenly realized that his life was very short for him. Now this application question you have to do yourself. This is your homework. Exercise A as well as exercise B. Both the exercise you have to do in your homework. Now in next video I will give you the question answer of this chapter. Till then your homework is you have to read this chapter and you have to do this application question in your home.